you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tess if you are new here, and today I'm going to do an apartment tour because nothing in my apartment is over $200, and I just want to show you guys that with some creativity and some patience you can get whatever vibe or aesthetic you are going for in your apartment, even on a really tight budget. I know it's especially hard if you're like a recent grad and you have a new place all to yourself for the first time and you want to decorate it really cute, but you really have a super tight budget. So I hope this gives you guys some inspiration. I'm not going to ramble any longer. I'll see you here at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, so basically when you walk into my apartment, this is what you see. Bear with me on the lighting. I'm going to try and adjust it as we go, but okay, so when you turn to your left, there is the laundry room, which I'm not going to show you guys the laundry room. I just have pictures of my friends right here, and then this is what I call like my alumni wall. These were all gifts. I just wanted to point out that I think this is really cool to have your cap framed if you decorate it like I did. That was a surprise for me, having it framed, and I just think it looks cool. This tassel always gets stuck, which I've taken to get that fixed multiple times, but it still gets stuck back there and it really bothers me. And then how my diploma is framed with the silver frame, the black and red matting, I think is very different. I feel like most people just do something more basic with like a black frame or a brown frame, but I love the matting here and how it brings out kind of like the silver and red emblem. So I wanted to point that out because my mom surprised me with this, and I just think it looks super dope, and I wanted to give you guys the idea if you are thinking about framing your diploma or anything. This rug I have in my entryway is from TJ Maxx, I believe. And then this is my entryway table. So the table is from Wayfair. This vase is from HomeGoods, I believe. The greenery is from like Michael's or Walmart. Then on the bottom there I just have like just little stuff down there. These candle holders are from HomeGoods, I want to say. And I want to say these candles are from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx. This is from HomeGoods. These frames, family and friends got me. And I just have some room spray back there. This world map is from HomeGoods as well. This is what it looks like far back. I knew I wanted a map over here, and I love the way this one looks. I wish it was like an actual map though. Like this looks like normal, but then over here I'm like, what is this? Like this looks like Middle Earth or something. I don't know. But at least it looks cool. So the kitchen is, you know, just a typical apartment kitchen. Over here, this is my desk setup. So right now, don't judge me, you guys, like it is not cute, but this is what happens when suddenly the world stops and you have to come work from home all of a sudden. And you know, I'm like grabbing one of my monitors from work, like leaving work with it. So I mean, it's really not cute. This desk area used to look really cute because I wasn't actually doing my day job here. So I'm still trying to figure this out now. Like I don't know if I should invest in a more legitimate setup and whatnot. But the desk chair I got from HomeGoods. The desk is from IKEA. This is from Target, which I actually got this to like put my printer on, but right now it just has desk stuff like a Bath & Body Works candle with a Bath & Body Works candle holder, which that is the eucalyptus and spearmint scent, and it is the best scent ever to have burning while you do your work, I swear. The desk lamp is from HomeGoods, which that is one thing that I'm loving having working from home, because like I'm not trying to, you know, make my energy bill super high, so I can usually get by with just that desk lamp on while I'm working during the day. This sign is from HomeGoods that a friend made me, and yeah, I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys that area because normally it's like way more messy. I just put some stuff away for you guys, but it's just like makes me sad because it used to look really cute, but now it has to actually be practical and utilized, which I just bought a new chair, like a big white chair that should be more comfortable. So I love this mirror right here, and how it kind of separates my living area from my desk area. This mirror, you'll never believe, is from Walmart. Walmart, you guys. don't hate. And we have a little visitor. Hi. Moving on to the living room, this picture above my couch is actually from Tuesday mornings. These 2 lamps are from Target. I knew I wanted matching lamps on either side of my couch, and then my 2 side tables are from Habitat for Humanity. Actually, they were dark brass. They were $60 each, and we painted them white. My couch was like $200, maybe $250 from an estate sale, and it was a really good brand, and it was in brand new condition. So that was definitely a steal. I need to buy a new couch now because I've just had this one for so long, but yeah, it was definitely a good find. These pillows, pretty much all my pillows on this couch are from Home Goods or TJ Maxx, one of the 2. And then normally I have Leo's toys, my cat. His toys are normally under that table right there, but I moved them for you guys because, you know, the bright orange and green toys, they just really throw off the whole vibe. Okay, so then both of these chairs are from Steinmart, actually. The store only had one, so then we called other stores to find another one. And together, I don't remember how much they cost together. Those might be the most expensive. That's definitely up there for maybe the most expensive things I own when you add them together. But I want to say they were like $200 a piece. What I'm using as my coffee table is from a local secondhand furniture store, actually. I believe it was about $100. My TV stand is from Facebook Marketplace. It was also a dark colored brass, and then the top was like dark wood, and we painted this white. We got this, it was definitely like under $100. I can't remember how much, but under $100. These pictures my friends gave to me as gifts. One of my friends got me one of these cameras, so cute. Both of these candle holders are from Bath & Body Works. Ignore my TV, my ancient TV. I could easily get a new one, a nicer one, but honestly, I'd rather spend $200 on like so many other things I can think of. So I'll just wait till maybe a boy that I meet has a nice TV or something. I really don't care. And then these chairs are from a place that had like Wayfair returns or something like that. So they were less than they would have been on Wayfair, but that is where they originally came from, would have been Wayfair. They were still brand new and in new condition. The legs were black though, and as soon as I saw them, I was like, I'm gonna need to paint the legs white and it will work. So I painted the legs white and it works. Like, I'm telling you guys, like those black legs just like threw the whole thing off. I could not do it. And then the table was $80. We painted that white, or did it come white? I can't remember on that one, but it was from a local secondhand furniture store as well. Never forget curtains. Curtains are very important in making a difference in the room. Above my TV, I do have this Marilyn Monroe picture. I want to say it's from Home Goods. It's something I had at my parents' house as well. The rug is from Facebook Marketplace, which was a steal for a rug this big. One of my friends had came across this rug, brand new, and actually wanted it. I can't remember how much it was, but it was very expensive. I got very lucky with that. And a rug and curtains like make such a difference in a room. Like, you know, if I had just that brown carpet in here still, like this room would not have the vibe it does. Like, this rug is very important to getting what I wanted, and I knew that. So don't sleep on rugs to change the vibe of a room. Show you my bathroom, but it's really nothing special. I kept with the theme of like the turquoise in the kitchen. So we got the turquoise in here with another cat rug and just more storage for makeup, hair stuff. These two pictures, this one and this one, are from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Which, yeah, I know the cat rug. Okay, so this is my bedroom when you walk in. This rug, I believe, is from Home Goods. Over here when you walk in is my jewelry armoire, which, ooh, is that from, I don't want to say where that's from. I'm gonna think on it and put it on the screen. This is a picture I painted of my cat at a wine and design. I mean, This is like my proudest piece ever, you know. Basically, like, this is Mona Lisa. As far as I'm concerned, this is worth a lot of money. The most expensive piece in my apartment. And then moving on, so this piece is actually from my parents' house growing up. This is what they had in their bedroom, and it was dark cherry wood with big gold handles. So I'll try and find the paint we used to paint this. But yeah, I mean, it looks so different now. Obviously, we painted it and we put new handles on it. Just crazy. Like, if you're willing to put in the work and like change old furniture, like, you can get your vibe on a budget, but it does take, you know, painting and doing some work, which I know not everyone has the time or desire to do. Makeup desk is from IKEA. The stool is from Home Goods. These two bookshelves are from Facebook Marketplace. So they were $60 for both, I believe, and then the two pictures at the top are from At Home, and of course I just have gray curtains. It's hard to see on camera, but I feel like when you pictures up there makes this room feel larger and like leads your eye upward. So I really like having those up there, although I'm kind of over them and like what they say. I'm kind of over blush pink. I just feel like I've lived here for 2 years now, so I'm kind of ready to change my decor, to be honest. My duvet cover, I just recently got this one because I wanted something crisp and clean that felt luxurious, kind of like a hotel room. Love that one. It's from Bath & Body Works, and I'll link it below. And then the pillows are from Home Goods. Headboard, can't remember right now, but I'll put it on the screen. So these two mirrors on either side of my bed, I'll move over here. These are actually from Kirkland's. My two lamps are from Lowe's. I knew that I wanted the same chest of drawers on each side of my bed with mirrors, matching mirrors and matching lamps. I just love that look. To me, when you have these as your side tables next to your bed rather than actual just like little table, to me it just makes the room look more finished, and it's very practical for an apartment where you need storage. So if you're needing more storage, maybe you should just change your side tables next to your bed out to a small chest of drawers like these. I find it really helpful, and once again, I just love how finished it looks. I do need something above my bed that I'm working on right now. In my shelves, I just have little different things. There I have some extra eyelashes, my piggy bank. This is just like my overflow makeup, lip products, more products, face mask, lotions, perfume, essential oils, eyeshadow palettes, lip products, and then this is my favorite perfume ever. I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember what it's called. YSL Mon something. It's just the best. And I just thought those two Kat Von D perfumes look cool, so I put them next to my bed. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. My cat's ready for me to open the blinds so he can see the birds, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up the tour. Sorry I don't remember more prices on every piece I own, but as you can see, most things I have are under $100, and the most expensive pieces are my couch and my two Steinmart chairs, which were $200. I know some things in my apartment may be a little over the top girly or silly, but honestly, I made a promise to myself that in my 20s, I would have a Bachelorette pad that was super girly and super fun, because it might be the only time in my life where I could do that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you some inspiration. You can follow me on Instagram. It's corporate_blonde_, and check out my website, corporateblonde.com, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.